Tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Feeling like you're stuck in an endless cycle of working hard but not getting ahead? You're not alone. Many people feel the same way, trapped in a routine that leaves them exhausted and unfulfilled. What if there was a way to break free from this cycle? What if you could make your money work for you instead of the other way around? Imagine a life where your money grows effortlessly, like trees bearing fruit in a lush orchard. That's the power of passive income. It's about building wealth while you sleep, travel, or pursue your passions. Picture yourself relaxing on a beach, the sound of waves in the background, while your investments and systems generate income for you. Or traveling the world, experiencing new cultures, all while your bank account continues to grow. No more trading time for money. Passive income is about creating systems that generate income, even when you're not actively working. These systems can include investments in stocks, real estate, or even online businesses that run on autopilot. The key is to set up these income streams so they work for you, freeing up your time to do what you love. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about smart work, consistency, and leveraging the right tools. Building passive income takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. By consistently investing in the right opportunities and using smart tools, you can create a steady stream of income that grows over time. And in today's world, the most powerful tool in your arsenal is artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is revolutionizing the way we approach passive income, making it easier and more efficient to build wealth. With AI, you can automate tasks, analyze data, and make informed decisions that maximize your returns. AI is changing the game. It's automating tasks, providing insights, and making passive income more accessible than ever. Imagine having a personal financial advisor that works 24/7, analyzing market trends, and making recommendations tailored to your financial goals. That's the power of AI. Whether you're a tech whiz or just starting, AI offers opportunities to build a brighter financial future. You don't need to be an expert to take advantage of AI. There are user-friendly platforms and tools designed to help anyone get started. So let's dive in and explore how you can harness the power of AI to make your money work for you. The future of financial freedom is here, and it's more accessible than ever before. AI might sound complex, but it's simply about using technology to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Think of it as having a tireless assistant working for you 24/7. In the world of passive income, AI is a game changer. AI can analyze massive data sets, identify patterns, and make predictions with incredible accuracy. This is crucial for tasks like predicting stock market trends or optimizing your investment portfolio. AI can also automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time and energy to focus on higher-level strategies. Imagine AI handling your social media, creating content, or even managing your customer service. AI takes care of the heavy lifting, allowing you to scale your passive income streams and achieve true financial freedom. Trading stocks, crypto, or Forex can be lucrative, but it's time-consuming and risky. AI is revolutionizing trading by automating the entire process. AI-powered trading bots analyze market data, identify trends, and execute trades with lightning speed and precision. These bots work 24/7, eliminating emotional decisions and capitalizing on opportunities you might miss. They use complex algorithms to minimize risks and maximize returns. Imagine waking up to profits generated while you slept. While AI trading requires careful monitoring and risk management, it offers a powerful way to generate passive income from the financial markets. Remember, knowledge is power. Before diving into AI trading, educate yourself on the basics and consult with financial advisors. Building an online presence is crucial for generating passive income, but creating high-quality content consistently can be a grind. AI steps in to streamline this process. AI-powered writing tools can generate blog posts, social media updates, and even video scripts. These tools don't replace your creativity, they enhance it. They help you overcome writer's block, generate ideas, and produce engaging content in a fraction of the time. Imagine publishing a week's worth of content in just a few hours. AI can also personalize content for different audiences, optimize for SEO, and even translate it into multiple languages. This allows you to reach a wider audience and maximize your passive income potential. Investing is the cornerstone of passive income. AI is making investments smarter and more accessible than ever before. Robo-advisors powered by AI create and manage your investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. These platforms use sophisticated algorithms to analyze market data, diversify your investments, and optimize for long-term growth. They eliminate emotional biases and provide personalized investment advice. AI can also analyze alternative investments like real estate or peer-to-peer lending, identifying lucrative opportunities. The key is to understand the technology, research thoroughly, and choose reputable AI-powered investment platforms. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now, and you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those that may be interested. There's also a free webinar that goes into detail about the course. Now let's continue. AI isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how we generate wealth. By automating tasks, providing insights, and optimizing strategies, AI empowers individuals to achieve financial freedom. The beauty of AI is its scalability. Once you set up an AI-powered system, it can work tirelessly, generating income without your constant involvement. This allows you to focus on other pursuits, whether it's growing your business, spending time with loved ones, or simply enjoying life. However, it's crucial to remember that AI is a tool. Your success depends on your knowledge, strategy, and willingness to adapt. Embrace lifelong learning, stay updated on AI advancements, and never stop experimenting. The best way to understand AI's power is to experience it firsthand. There are numerous AI tools available that you can start using right now to boost your passive income journey. For content creation, explore tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, or WriteR. These platforms use AI to generate high-quality content for various purposes, from blog posts to social media captions. For automating your trading, platforms like MetaTrader 5 or TradingView offer AI-powered trading bots and signals. For smart investments, consider robo-advisors like Betterment, Wealthfront, or Acorns. These platforms provide automated investment management tailored to your financial goals. AI is not just a tool for today, it's the key to unlocking wealth in the future. As AI evolves, we can expect even more sophisticated tools and strategies for passive income generation. Imagine AI-powered businesses that run themselves, generating income, while you focus on innovation and growth. AI will also personalize our financial journeys, providing customized insights, predictions, and recommendations tailored to our unique goals and risk appetites. The future of passive income is about harnessing the power of AI to work smarter, not harder. It's an exciting time to be alive, especially for those who embrace technology and innovation. By understanding and leveraging AI, you're not just building passive income streams, you're securing your financial future in an ever-changing world. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There isn't one. Start your passive income journey today by exploring the world of AI. Educate yourself, experiment with different tools, and find what works best for you. Remember, passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, consistency, and a willingness to adapt. But the rewards are worth it. financial freedom, time to pursue your passions, and a brighter future. Take action now and unlock the incredible potential of AI for building lasting wealth. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 80 to choose from.